Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are embarking on a culinary journey to the fiery heart of South India. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a classic dish that's packed with flavor, which is Madras chicken curry. This iconic curry is renowned for its bold spicy character, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Madras region. We'll guide you through the art of creating this fiery masterpiece, from marinating the chicken to crafting the perfect curry sauce. Join us as we explore the secret behind this beloved dish and uncover techniques that elevates it from good to extraordinary. Whether you are a seasoned home cook or a curious culinary explorer, this recipe is sure to ignite your passion for Indian cuisine. So grab your aprons and get ready to experience the authentic taste of Madras with us. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 1.5 kg chicken, washed and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon dry kasuri methi, and give this a nice mix. Then marinate this for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 3 tablespoon coriander seeds, half tablespoon black peppercorns, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 4 green cardamom, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, 2-inch ginger roughly cut, 5 garlic cloves, 12 Kashmiri dry red chilies, and fry this until it is nice and light brown. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 3 onions sliced and fry this until the onion is nice and light brown. Something like this. Then add 2 tomatoes sliced and fry this until the tomatoes are soft. Then add some salt to taste and fry this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then simply blend this to a smooth paste. Add the mix to the mixer jar. And add about 5 tablespoons water and blend this to a smooth masala paste. So the masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 30 to 35 curry leaves, and fry this for few seconds. Then add the marinated chicken and fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add the masala paste which was previously made. And then give this a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 15 minutes. Then add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, 4 tablespoons ghee, 1 stock cube, add some salt to taste, and then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes on a low flame. And then give this a nice mix and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. As you can see the consistency of the curry, make sure it is something like this. And there you have it guys, a fiery Madras chicken curry that's sure to ignite your taste buds. Look at that rich red color and the tender pieces of chicken. It's a feast for the senses. Serve it with fragrant basmati rice or naan for a truly authentic experience. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes. And remember, the key to the great Madras chicken is a balance of spice and a touch of heat. Experience with different chilies to find your perfect level of spice. Happy cooking and enjoy your culinary adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye.